Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creation. Today we're going to be doing a color check. Basically, I'm trying to decide what my palette's going to be for a larger piece that I'll be doing here very soon. The colors will be in just a second, but it's going to be on a 6-inch tile, and my intention is to do a faux pillow with my color layer underneath the faux pillow, and then again on top and a blowout with my dryer. That's at least the plan. We'll see how that goes. So let's get down to the color layer and talk about that. Let's talk about our colors for a second. Up here, this is carbon black. That's by Amsterdam. That's going to be my faux pillow. Here is interference gold, Whitehaven, and simplicity by this little Piggy. This is ore by this little Piggy. Quinacridone Magenta by Golden. Quinacridone Gold by, otherwise known as Quinag, by Golden. And titanium white cell activator mixed with 3 parts of Australian floetrol. Okay, the pillow paint is going down now. This is PPG MULTI-PRO. It's my go-to these days. Now this is Quinacridone Gold. It's going to be down at the bottom where I'm going to be blowing out. This is the Quinacridone Magenta. Now, both of these are going to be covered up with my faux pillow, which is carbon black. Well, I'm sorry. This is the combination of my pearl colors, my whites. Now the pillow paint is going down. The faux pillow is going down. It's going to be a nice even swipe over the top. My hope is to keep it nice and thin so I don't have too much paint. I'm really challenged with that. Let's see how that goes. Okay, that faux pillow is down. A little bit more of the Quinag. Quinacridone Gold is going away, and it's one of my favorite colors. So I'm kind of honoring it these days by using it. This is ore. This little bitty Piggy product is a very bright gold. It's actually probably one of my favorite bright golds. This is the titanium white cell activator. Now my intention is I'm going to put a nice amount down here because I want this to be predominant without being overpowering. We'll see if that works out. I'm going to pick up my dryer next, and I'm going to blow up from the cell activator down to the bottom. And the intention of this is to get almost a Dutch pour feeling. There's several artists that do this. I think the one that I first saw it with was Karen Durskin with Waterfall Acrylics. If you don't know her channel, go check it out. And most recently I saw Jessica Winderstrom do it on her channel with a very similar color palette, and that's why I decided to give this a try. I'm just trying to get a nice even layer, get that cell activator up there so it can cell up. Very short spin here. And you can't see it here, but there's a lot of paint that has come off that tile already. And I'm kind of at this point saying, ooh, too much paint. I'm going to have movement at the end of this. And in fact, the dry product did have some movement, but it's still okay. Okay, to fly over, I promised it was going to be short. Notice the cells. I just can't be too much more enamored with what I'm seeing there. Pretty excited about this one. Can't wait to do it on a larger canvas. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free, and it really does help. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you got something out of this. Thanks again for being here. Bye-bye.